faith. It's one win. Gustavo Alfaro reverts to a back four after playing a three against the Netherlands. Carlos Grazo, who played in the 2014 World Cup, gets his first minutes here. Alan Franco in charge of VAR. Senegal, the back four and changed from the 3-1 win over Qatar. Pathé, Sis and Pape Gay are drafted into midfield. Three changes from the last starting 11.
His experience and ball-winning capabilities.
Away we go then. So Senegal now look to press for the first time. Well, that was an inviting target. Mid here. The flag was up for offside anyway, but the goalkeeper was by Sabali. Shots wide. Very good opening for Moulay. Did get the end of the World Cup. And the run continues. Here's Ndiaye. Excellent ball in. And evaded three white shirts in there. Michael Estrada in the middle. There goes Valencia. Finding little gaps again there, Senegal. In the end, it was routine for Galindes.
Lovely play.
Galindes.
A little bit stuck for them now. Can they transfer the ball quickly from the middle of the park to the opposing side where Sarr could be equally
for the injury to Preciado. He wasn't up to that test. Senegal have a corner. See how they quickly doubled up there on Pervis Estupinian. Reach Estrada. Sarr. Ndiaye. Just couldn't get enough purchase on that, stepping in front of Estupinian. And Valencia looking to be a nuisance to Koulibaly.
Oh, he's asking a lot.
And in by Jacobs. Right in that area. Galindes not troubled. Against Qatar with a goal from Cody Gakpo. The referee's given a penalty here. No problem. Ice cool. And if he was ever important minutes to see out here, it's in
touch of the composure. Crazy, it's a miskick really.
Here's Sabali. Hitched down by Caicedo. At the Khalifa International Stadium in Group A, Ecuador 0, Senegal. The goalkeeper decided to stay at home. Sabali. What's the free kick? Stupinian's cross.
Especially when the line of your ball.
It's driven in by Gana Gueye in the end. Nice turn there from Sarr. He's such a sweet mover when he gets into stride, Ismaïla Sarr. To get something for the set piece, and they do! Moises Caicedo! Looking for their first attempt at the second half, Senegal, and they have! The first challenge.
Once he takes a couple of touches, in fact, he's closed down.
Here's Sarr. Lovely taking the ball there beyond Preciado. Well, they're asking. Capier won't